What's up guys, Steve from Exclusive Wraps here. We've got a pretty cool special one for you. I'm standing next to a Porsche 911 ST. This particular example here belongs to Porsche Australia. For any of you that are Porsche enthusiasts, you probably already know about the car, but for those of you that don't, this particular car, they are making 1,963 examples worldwide. So it is a very limited car. And that number 1963 is paying homage to the first year that the 911 mark was produced. 60 years ago, 911 was first debuted. So it carries the same flat six, 4-litre flat six out of the 3RS, but it's mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox that you'd find in the GT3 Touring. It has a slightly more aggressive set of aero, but has definitely been scaled back, in Porsche's words, more for road use than racetrack use. So this one is really at home on the streets, touring around and being enjoyed in a daily driving sort of setting. If you purchase an ST, you can option the Heritage Pack, which is what this particular example has, which includes the Shore Blue metallic paint, the Ceramica white wheels, which are a really nice satin pearl white. I never thought I would say white wheels were nice on a car because it was never my jam, but Ceramica white wheels look really cool. Also, you have the option of having a racing style number on the door in your choice of 0 to 99. In this case, they've optioned 63, obviously again going with that 1963 number. Heritage logos on your center caps, the bonnet, and internally as well. So if we take a look inside, the Heritage logos continue to the steering wheel and the headrests and also the key fob as well. Additionally, comes with the cognac brown leather interior and suede roofliner. I'm going to cut there because I ran out of details. So as I mentioned at the start of the video, this vehicle belongs to Porsche Australia and it is about to begin touring around the country. You would have seen it at the Noosa Concourse. It's come straight from there to us for a full Expel paint protection film package to protect and prevent the vehicle from getting any other damage while it's touring around and obviously being touched and handled and enjoyed by many enthusiasts around the country. That's about it from me guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Porsche ST and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.